Welcome to Ms. Palmberg's E-Period math class. I'm Lisa Panati.
I'm Frankie Wunschel.
And I'm Brendan Teller.
Today we're going to solve a problem using the powers of trig integrals. And in this section, we learned how to do solve integrals with sine and cosine and tangent with powers. And when you do like an even power, you use the half angle theorem thing. And then with odd integrals, you use factoring and then this equation.
Okay, today we're going to be solving cosine cubed 2x dx. So we know that cosine cubed 2x is equal to cosine 2x times cosine squared 2x. And this is helpful because it turns into an even powered integral of a trigonometric item. And so with this we can use the sine squared 2x plus cosine squared 2x equaling 1. And by subtracting sine squared 2x from both sides, we know that cosine squared 2x equals 1 minus sine squared 2x. From here we're going to plug. We're going to plug that cosine 2x, which we had initially, and then in the spot of cosine squared 2x, we're going to put 1 minus sine squared 2x, and then your dx. We're going to multiply out the equation, distributing the cosine 2x to both the 1 and the negative sine squared 2x, giving us this equation. From here, we're going to split it up, having cosine 2x minus the integral of cosine 2x sine squared 2x. We're then going to use our next integration strategy using u substitution. For our first section of the integral, we can say that u equals 2x and du equals 2. And for our second section of the integral, we can say that u equals sine 2x and du equals 2 cosine 2x. So for both sections of the integral, we're going to have to multiply a 2 in. Therefore, we're going to have to also multiply by 1/2, and that can be pulled out of the integral. We're left with cosine u du minus u squared du. Obviously, the u's and the du's are different for the separate parts. After taking the integral, we get 1/2 sine u minus 1/2 1/3 u cubed. We place the u's in their righteous places, getting 1/2 sine 2x minus 1/2 times 1/3 equals 1/6 sine cubed 2x. And then we add c, because we don't know if there's another variable we need to plug in there. Wasn't too hard a problem. You can do it on your own, and it was a blast.